Shatzie's puppies born April the 16th, and they'll be 6 weeks old on Tuesday. Today is Sunday. So having a lot of fun outside here. Slowly go around, find a few more. I'm not sure if I'll get everybody's puppies in this film, but we'll do our best because some of them are hiding underneath out of the sun. Beautiful, beautiful weather we're having the last few days. So, and this is where they go when it's warm. As you see, they kind of got like a little den under the step here, and they stay nice and cool under there. They're just way too cute. Hello, you coming out to say hello? Wagging the tail. Yeah, what are you doing? You're wondering, what is that? Hey, what are you guys doing way down there? So, they're just way too cute. Hey, what you doing? What is you having fun outside in the nice sun? Yes. There's Boo. And that's Schatzie sitting in the doorway there. And that's grandfather Fritz. So, I hope this is all coming out. I'm going to walk over here. And we'll go and see Cruz, the dad. Cruz is visiting us right now, as our son went away for a little while. And there's Cruz, and of course he's with Misty. And when I'm finished this, I'll be taking them for a walk. And that is the Myra River down there, which you can see. And we have a roadway going down to there, and that's where they go for their walk. This is their kennel. They got tons of room, as you can see. And just to show you, give you an idea, this is our home here. So I can see the puppies right out of my kitchen window. Slowly go around. Here we go. So we made that platform because the dogs love being up on something. So, and that's it for today.